Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In our previous lesson, we discussed about grep and find commands. Today's lecture, we are going to talk about directory related operations command. It means like make directory and then creating the directory, copying the directory, and then removing the directory and copying some files, removing and moving some files. So the commands used for these things are cp, mkdir, and then rm, which is for the remove, and another one is move. So these are the commands that we are going to see. Now to start with, first I would like to give some creation of the directory. So for which the command is mkdir, and let's say some xyz command. Okay, so I'm going to give the enter. Now just check it. So xyz is the command, it is actually created. Let's say xyz1 also, one more directory which is actually created. So this is the creation of the directory. And we have multiple options also. I'm going to discuss only one of the option, which is, for example, minus p. Minus p means you are going to create a directory in a hierarchy fashion, which means, for example, ABC. Inside that, you are going to create DEF again. Let's say again small xyz. So this is the command which I am giving. It means the idea here is ABC is the parent directory. Inside that, DEF is another subdirectory which is becoming a parent for the next directory which you are going to create xyz. Now let's check it out. So I have given enter. Now ABC is the directory which is created. Now let us see. Inside the ABC, I am going with the help of cd command and give ls. So it contains def. Again, I'm going to go def and ls. So it contains xyz. Again, I'm going to give xyz. Now it doesn't have any files because I have not created any files. Now let's do some files with the help of touch command. Let's say sample.txt and abc.c bdc.cpp. Some files are there. So these are the commands which I have actually created. Okay, so it doesn't contain any contents. Now I'm coming back and def. So def also I'm going to create some files. Touch abc def abcx.c bdc.cpp. So these are the files I have just created along with the xyz. Now let's come back. Inside the ABC directory, I'm going to create some more files. ABC, DEF, GZ, some files. Okay, so these are the files I have created. Now I'm coming back. So I have changed the directory. Now you can see many directories and files have been present. Now I'm going to copy one directory to another directory. Let's say, for example, XYZ is the directory we know and it doesn't have any file contents. Now I'm going to copy the ABC contents to XYZ. Let's say if you want to create copy one file, only one file, for example, ABC. So CP, and this is a file name, which is a regular file, not a directory. Now you want to copy to XYZ, but XYZ is in the tutor directory. So how can I go ahead in just one command? So dot, it means you're coming one step back, slash, it means we are in the tutor, because in the tutor XYZ file is there. So I'm going to type XYZ, in that I'm going to copy. So this is the final thing. So what I'm doing is here dot, which means I'm going one step back where tutor is present. Inside the tutor, our directory, what is our target directory, where inside which we are going to copy the file ABC. So ABC I'm copying in this XYZ directory. Now let us check with XYZ directory whether the file is present or not. So the file is present. So this is how we are going to copy a single file, or you can copy one more thing, ABC and let's say F or J. So this is also one file. So The difference what you can observe here is the main point. FRJ is not a file which is present in this directory. So even if the file name is not present, then it is going to copy. So copy works actually, but this is not move. Move is a different one. Let's say, for example, I am giving some contents. So I have some contents in the ABC. Now I'm going to copy ABC to F or J. So this is the one. Now if you just check it, F or J, which contains 17 bytes, you have already got it. Okay. But on one more thing, move is a different from copy. For example, ABC and then let's say JJJ. This is the command I am going to give. Move means the ABC file is going to be removed, and JJJ file is a new file which is going to be created, and the contents of the ABC is going to copy into JJJ. Now let's check this one with the execution of this command. Now there is no ABC. So we have only two files, which is FRJ and JJJ. So this is only on the file operations, not on the directory operations. Okay. Now let's do with the help of the directories. For example, ABC is there. So CP, the command what we have to give is CP minus ABC, minus RF. F means force, R means recursive. It means it won't ask for any confirmation, it will directly copy. So CP ABC, and then I'm going to copy into XYZ. It means ABC, the entire directory you are going to copy, and you take the recursive file itself if there are any files present. It means earlier we have seen inside the ABC we have some folders we have already created. Okay, those folders also will get copied in the XYZ. Now let's check with this command result. XYZ. I'm going inside, and here we have ABC. Earlier we would not have ABC. Inside this we have DEF. So earlier whatever we have created, it will show in this particular directory. So all the files has been copied with the help of the CP command. So that is the beauty of this. Now let's come back to the move command. Move, but this time RF. RF means recursive and force. Move means you are going to delete that particular directory, but before deleting you are going to copy to the new one. Let's say, for example, ABC is the new the directory which you are going to move. It means renaming or deleting to, let's say, some UUU. So this is a directory. Okay, so UUU is a new name. It is created, and this content have been copied, and this ABC will get deleted. So that is the command. Now let's execute and check. Okay, recursive is not there, it is just moving. Now ABC directory is not there, but instead of ABC you can see UUU. What are the contents? UUU, the same with the ABC what we have created earlier. So this is the move command, and move is applicable for both files and directories. Copy is also applicable for both files and directories. And lastly, the command which is RM. RM is a file name deletion. Let's say, for example, touch some NNN. This is the file name we have created, and we don't have any contents. Let's try to write to the NNN file, so which contains some data. I'm just writing. Now we have some data NNN. Now I'm going to delete. So RM is the command which is used for deleting only single file name. If you are giving just RM NNN. Now let us check it. So we don't see any RM earlier. NNN earlier we have seen NNN. Now NNN is not present in this particular directory because of the RM command. It is getting deleted. Now let's come back and remove the directory itself. So if you want to remove the directory itself, you cannot directly give RM UUU, for example. So it is throwing an error that it is showing it is a directory you cannot remove. Why this error is coming means if UUU contains some files, then you cannot use this command. But if you remove all the contents all the files inside the UUU. So let's go and check it. So these are the two files. So here you can see rm star.txt or star.c if it is present. So for example, here star.c extension is not present. So only these two files, the text1 and text2 files get deleted, and .c it is throwing an error, no such file or directory. Now you don't have any files. Now you come back, then ls. So UUU doesn't contain any files. So that's why it is throwing it. We cannot give UUU now itself because it is a directory. RMDIR you can give, then it will work. Or you can give, for example, I will delete XYZ1. So you can give RF minus RF and XYZ1. So here also you would get XYZ1, and also UUU also got deleted. But there is one dangerous thing that you have to identify, because whenever we are working on big project and crucial projects, or in fact any project in general, okay, if you are using this command, but you have done so much of work, maybe for some 1 month or something, okay, but if you are giving this particular command, then it will throw. I mean, you don't have any choice to recover this particular directory. So assuming that you have done a lot of effort, and simply you are deleting means you have gone all the loss, and all the efforts will get wasted. So it is very important to note that we should be very careful while working on this particular rm minus rf command. So to conclude, I'll just revise what we have discussed. One is CP, another one is mkdir, another one is rm, and another one is move. So these are all the commands which we have discussed. CP is for copying of the files and directories as well. mkdir is for creating the directories, or we can create the parent directories as well with the help of -p option. And rm is the removing of the file or deleting of the files from that particular directory. We have multiple options for both files and directories. -f or -rf. RF will give the directory removal directly without, even if the files exist also, we can remove it. And move is also the same thing, but it is used for moving from one file to another file, or one directory to another directory. So that's it for today, and see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon for important technical updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.